So really, the garden here sits right in the middle of the organic farm. Therefore, it was an absolute no-brainer for this to be completely organic. And once we've made that decision, it seemed only sensible to do it really properly, get certification, and so when visitors come to the garden, they know that it's exactly on point for what our messaging is. On the point of people coming, it's really very much like Chelsea, where people come here to visit the garden during the summer. I want them to just take away even just the smallest thing, just one little step that can make a difference. It really doesn't have to be all or nothing. It really can be really accessible to everybody.
You can do small things like use less plastic, use organic compost, use non-chemical fertilisers and pesticides. So it's kind of the organic garden at Chelsea and the organic garden here really go hand in hand in promoting that message. And Chelsea will hopefully lead people back to the garden here as well. So they can come and
well, that would be really nice. I'm really looking forward to having thousands of people coming around.
Yeah, hopefully. People, yeah.